Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to yet another fantastic episode of your darling show, Money and Technology, with me, your tech junkie, Ajara Tijani. Today, we have something for you. Now, you will agree with me that AI has been revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and how we process data, and the possibilities for the future are seemingly endless. On this episode of Money and Technology, we are going to explore the latest news, latest advancements in AI world, from the latest developments in natural language processing, such as ChatGPT. Of course, the news about ChatGPT is no longer a news. Even as I'm talking to you, everything I'm going to be saying is being provided by this chatbot. It is a fantastic word. From the latest developments in natural language processing to the cutting-edge applications being deployed in healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. Join us as we uncover the possibilities of AI and explore the potential it has to shape our futures. Now, virtually in all aspects of our lives today, even as media people, I tell you, the AI is actually taking over everything. Of course, you've seen many media organizations across the world that are using AI, generated images, AI generated characters, casting the news. Even on the side of script writing, AI is actually taking control of that. We may not need script writers in this profession any longer, as long as we have the AI in existence. And of course, if you want to take it even further, editing. Now, editing, audiovisual editing, which is like using many softwares like DaVinci Resolve, Adobe, Adobe Premiere Pro, and the rest of it, you realize that these days AI is actually having a shape in this direction. And of course, in the world of animation, like 2D animation or 3D animation, AI is actually doing a fantastic job in that regard. 2023 is shaping up to be an exciting year of artificial intelligence technology. As AI continues to advance and become more integral part of our lives, we are on the cusp of some truly revolutionary development. So, what are the list of the AI, chatbot, or should I say, the ones that are actually making the top of the table as we speak now? These are the areas that we want to look at today. And of course, the first of them is going to be ChatGPT. I'll be right back.
There's no denying the fact that we are in the age of artificial intelligence. OpenCog, DeepMind, Google Brain, IBM Watson, Baidu Brain, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, Amazon Lex, Wits.ai, Apple Siri, Salesforce Estin, Snape's, Rasa, OpenAI Gym, Google Dialogflow, Recast AI, Microsoft Lewis, Paul AI, MindMeld, Clarify, Hugging Face. The list is endless. But if you check very well, especially in the year 2023, you realize that there are three major competing powerful OpenAI there, and these are chatbots that are very, very innovative, very technological, advanced, and there's a lot that you can talk about it. To start from ChatGPT that is everywhere, and then recently Microsoft Edge equally launched Bing, and then Google Bert.
Just 3 months ago, we unveiled the new AI-powered Microsoft Bing and Edge to reinvent the future of search. And today, we move from limited preview to open preview. And we invite everyone around the world to come try the new Bing and the new Edge and to experience your co-pilot for the web. Let's take a look at some of the latest enhancements.
Imagine your search recommends a restaurant for dinner and then finds your reservation at a time that works for you. As part of our commitment to constant innovation, we're now introducing Chat History. we're introducing richer, more visual answers, including charts and graphs, and have updated formatting of our answers. Edge continues to be your co-pilot for the web. The first to use AI and the only browser with Bing built in.
Now that you have smart new ways to get inspired, find what you're looking for, create cool images, and complete tasks with the power of AI, we're excited to see what you're going to do with Bing.
So these are the 3 powerful competitors out there that you actually need to know. In 2023, the artificial intelligence AI industry is continuing to grow with new and innovative AI technologies emerging across the globe. One of the latest and most exciting developments is ChatGPT, an open source AI technology developed by a team of researchers from the University of Toronto's Creative Intelligence Lab. ChatGPT is a natural language processing (NLP) system that enables users to interact with AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. It uses a combination of deep learning, natural language understanding (NLU), and natural language generation (NLG) technologies to generate conversations that are more natural and engaging than ever before. The technology is designed to be powerful enough to process complex conversations and generate meaningful responses while still being able to learn from its interactions with users. It is also capable of understanding complex language and context, as well as being able to generate responses that are tailored to the user's specific needs. ChatGPT is already being used in numerous applications, from customer service and virtual assistants to chatbots and virtual agents. It is also being used in research and development for AI-powered medical diagnostics and therapeutic treatment. As the technology becomes more widely adopted, the potential for ChatGPT is immense. It has the potential to revolutionize the way people interact with AI-powered systems and to make AI more accessible to everyday users. It is already being used in a number of different industries, and its use is only expected to grow in the coming years. OpenAI Tech Chatbot is made up of several AI-based tools such as ChatGPT, which allows a more natural conversation between humans and machines. ChatGPT stands for Chat General Purpose Turing. I say that again, Chat General Purpose Turing, ChatGPT, and it is an AI-based chatbot that enables users to have a conversation with a virtual agent. It is designed to understand natural language and respond intelligently to users' questions and commands. Other AI-based tools included in the OpenAI Tech Chatbot are Chatbot Hub, Chatbot Market, Chatbot Studio, and BotKit. These tools enable users to build, deploy, and manage their own chatbots. Chatbot Hub is a platform that helps users quickly find, install, and manage chatbots. It provides a wide range of chatbot templates, tutorials, and tools to help users create their own chatbot. Chatbot Market is an online marketplace for buying and selling chatbots. It allows users to find, purchase, and deploy chatbot applications. Chatbot Studio is a tool for designing and building chatbots that provide an easy-to-use interface for designing and developing chatbots. BotKit is a tool for creating and managing chatbot applications. It allows users to create custom conversation, managing conversations, and monitor user interactions. OpenAI Tech Chatbot is the newest technology and newest development in artificial intelligence technology and is changing the way people communicate. With its wide range of tools, users can now easily create and manage their own chatbots to improve customer service and increase customer satisfaction. Now, let's move on to the Microsoft Bing. OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research organization, recently announced the launch of Bing, Birds in Graphics, a machine learning model that enables intelligent reasoning over knowledge graphs. Bing is a deep learning-based system that is capable of understanding the real-world facts and relationships between the entities. It can be used to answer complex questions and can be used to make decisions and predictions. Bing was developed using the latest advancements in natural language processing and machine learning technologies. It is based on a technique called graph convolutional networks, which allows it to explore and make sense of relationships between entities. It is designed to be able to reason over knowledge graphs and can be used to answer questions about real-world facts and events. Bing is designed to work with existing knowledge graph technology such as Neo4j and IBM Watson Knowledge Studio. It is also compatible with many popular machine learning libraries, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. In addition to being able to answer complex questions, Bing can also be used to generate new knowledge graphs by combining existing ones. This could be useful for a variety of applications such as predicting customer behavior, understanding customer sentiment, and providing intelligent recommendations. Now, lastly, let's move on to talk about Google Brain, which is popularly known as Google Bird. Google Brain is an artificial intelligence research organization within Google. It was founded in 2011 in Mountain View, California, with a mission to make machine learning pervasive across Google products and services. Google Brain was founded by Google engineers Andrew Ng and Jeff Dean, and their first project was building large-scale deep neural networks. Google Brain has since grown to include teams at multiple Google offices around the world, and its research has been applied to a wide variety of products such as Google Search, Google Maps, Google Translate, Google Photos, Google Play Music, Google Home, and more. Google Brain is a leader in the field of artificial intelligence research, having developed state-of-the-art models for image recognition, language understanding, and more. Google Brain's research has been published in prestigious journals such as Nature, Science, and Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. In addition to its research efforts, Google Brain is also committed to open source software and sharing its findings with a broader AI community. Google Brain has released several open source deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, Sonnet, and Magenta. Google Brain is also committed to ethical and responsible development of AI and has released a series of principles and best practices that it follows. Now, all the information provided here are gotten from all these AI machines, specifically from ChatGPT. So the accuracy, the precision, the reality of the information is actually limited to the knowledge of this chatbot. However, a little bit of research is injected into it to actually dig out, most of this information reeled out in the course of this presentation. Thank you for your time. We'll be right back.
I found something even better and I wanted to share it with you as an update to that video. Now, here is a podcast that I manually edited myself, so you can see all the cuts that I made. Just a 2-camera podcast. And we're gonna start from scratch without any cuts made. And I'm gonna be using a software called AutoPod, which is supposed to automatically cut through it all for you. So we're gonna test it out. It is $30 a month. However, they do give you a free trial option. So let's start that free trial and see how it goes. Now come to my email, download AutoPod. I am on a Mac, so we'll download that and copy our license key. Now come to our downloads, install. Now let's open up Premiere, and now you'll see in the window extensions, AutoPod is now installed, ready to go. Now your next step would be to synchronize your clips. I've already done that. If you haven't, grab all your clips, right click, hit synchronize. Now we're gonna come up to window, extension, AutoPod Multicam Editor, where we can throw in our key, log in. And now it gives us a few different options. Cutting method, I want it to be enable disable. That way I can go back and enable things that I didn't like how they cut it. Now we want to go to shot frequency. I'm going to put low. You can decide what you want, but I don't like too fast of cuts. We have 2 speakers. We got 2 cameras. Audio line 1 is me. Audio line 2 was John. And then video line 2
is John, and video line 1 was me. And let's go ahead and save this as a preset. Call it Parker's Podcast. Hit save. And now you can quickly just get to these settings without having to redo them every time. Now the last thing is we can't have any pre-existing cuts. So if you do have any cuts, just gonna have to nest each of these. I call this John and call this Parker. So we nested those and we are ready to go. So we'll hit create multicam edit and it begins. So we'll watch it in real time, see how long it takes and see how well it does it. Oh, and there it goes. We're off. Look at that, folks. That is AI in action. I mean, this is a 47 minute podcast between two people. And you may have just saved yourself $100 or however much to have to hire an editor to chop through this. That is quite amazing. Is it worth $30 a month? Well, if you're doing a lot of podcasts like this, then yeah, $30 a month is going to be cheaper than hiring an editor to chop through all of that. Okay, so you just saw that in real time. That was all of what, 20, 30 seconds? Okay, so let's see how it did. Let's compare it to my edit. All right, now I didn't chop through the bottom layer, but you can see the top layer, see how it matches up, compares to Autopod's. And it's definitely more choppy, but we'll see if we like that or not. So let's just take a look at one of the choppier parts right here. It chops quite a bit. See how it looks.
Seek out the information instead of relying on others to provide it to me. Then that's when I started to like get softened, I think. And that's when things started to change.
So tell me that story. So you meet your wife. Was this in Hawaii?
No, we met in Vegas.
So you're already in Vegas now by this time. How old are you when you meet her?
I'm the worst at time. Oh man.
Teenage years.
We're 2008. 2008.
Okay, so you're pretty young.
Yeah, 2008.
So you start dating.
We started dating.
But
very rocky.
But during all of courtship, okay, that is pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I'm absolutely going with this. $30 a month, that is worth it. That just saved me. Episode like this, maybe it'll take me a half hour to chop through, but my time is worth a lot more than $30 for 30 minutes. So that is beautiful. You'd probably want to go through and just double check and make sure it's done a good job and cut where you want it. But yeah, I'm sold. Tell me what you think. Autopod, auto editing for podcasts specifically. Now it has other options too up here where you can do jump cut editing, social clip creator. So it doesn't just do podcast episodes, but if you edit podcasts, I mean, just by this one example, I can say I highly recommend it. And that's all I've got.
Wonderful people, and that wraps up our latest news on artificial intelligence known as AI. Remember, we are always keeping an eye out for the newest and most exciting developments in technology. Be sure to tune in next time for the latest tech news and trends. Until then, stay informed and stay tech savvy. I remain your regular host, Ajara Ahmed Tijani. Bye for now.